Many people ask me who my mentors are. One thing in common that they all have is humility. They knowing that we all are in the same boat, everyone has challenges, everyone has different gifts, and we're in this together. I have learned that if I ever become a person who feels like I'm better than someone else, is when I start putting barriers up, when I start becoming less transparent, when I'm not as compassionate, when I'm not as loving and giving. You know, more than the goal that I achieve or the success that I have, is who I affect along the way. And to love and impart encouragement to people around me, that always begins with humility. To care for someone means you're not thinking about yourself, you're thinking about them. The greatest thing to start with when you're planning for success is to be humble.